Here we have a home set up for the Biolight, which is an LED color therapy. And this setup is on top of the Amethyst and Tourmaline Pillow, on top of the Amethyst Biomat Professional, which is a bed of amethyst and tourmaline crystals. And this gets warm. Here's the controller where you can choose from different temperature settings. And there's a timer. And so in this setup, it's on top of the Bioacoustic Sound Healing bed. This is an amazing combination. You can use the biomat by itself. You can use the bioacoustic bed by itself. You can even use the light by itself. But this synergy of putting them all together is pretty amazing because you have the warmth and the healing of the far infrared light therapy on the first layer with the crystals. And then the sound waves are actually traveling up and through, and you still feel them very strongly here. So this combination is extremely relaxing. And I'm going to show you the controller to understand how the Biolight works. You can set people up with the microcurrent mask and the starfish collagen treatments that go really nicely with this, and the settings for how to do that with the Biolight are explained in the manual. So I'm going to show you first the colors. So here we have the red light, blue, yellow, green. This is red and blue, and red and yellow, and then all colors. You can also choose the intensity and frequency, and you can set the timer. So this is the home setup for a Biolight for skincare treatments, either alone or in combination with the biomat and the bioacoustic bed for the ultimate home spa experience. If you have any questions, contact us at biomathealth.com. Thanks for watching.